Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ensuring you can play the tracks. Sign into Apple Music and pick the exact playlist or album you want. Next, install a reliable audio capture tool or virtual audio driver that records system output. This lets you capture unencrypted playback. Then configure Apple Music to highest quality and turn off volume normalization and crossfade so recordings are consistent. Finally, set your recorder to 44.1 kHz or 48 kHz and choose stereo. You're ready to begin recording. Now you record. Route system audio through the virtual driver and test with a short clip to confirm levels. Aim for peaks around -6 dB. Play each song one at a time and record them individually, adding a half second of silence to separate tracks. Once done, stop recording immediately after playback finishes. Open each captured file in the editor, trim any extra silence, apply gentle normalization to match levels, and remove clicks or artifacts so your files are clean before exporting. Finish by exporting each cleaned file to Mp3. Choose CBR at 256 kbps or 320 kbps for consistent quality and compatibility. Then add metadata, title, artist, album, track number, and embed cover art so your player organizes them correctly. Once exported, test several tracks on another device to confirm playback. If you see gaps, sync issues, or no audio, update your virtual audio driver, check recorder permissions, and re-record the affected tracks. Make sure DRM-protected content cannot be converted directly without authorization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.